Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Got another review for you tonight. This one's a little bit special. Brian over at Crusher Creations has come out with an anniversary scent I'm going to go over with you guys tonight. If you remember, there was a couple of teaser videos. Oh man, it's been a while ago. Myself and a couple other brothers, bearded brothers, put one out. This anniversary scent is nothing short of amazing, as always, that Brian puts out. He's always outdoing himself, and this one is just another example of he knows what he's doing. We'll put it that way. Stay tuned after the intro. We'll get right into it. Welcome back, all my bearded brothers. I hope everybody is safe, staying free from COVID. Yes, COVID sucks. I had the scare, my family had the scare. I hope nobody has to go through that and is taking proper precautions. Anyway, thank you guys for coming back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you like the video after you watch it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Follow me on Instagram if you're not, all that happy mumbo jumbo stuff. Tonight we're going to go over a special scent from Crusher Creations. Brian, that guy is an amazing mixologist. He has come up with some phenomenal scents, and he keeps getting better at it and better. I remember when I first started reviewing, I reviewed a few of his products, and he continues to set the bar higher and higher with each scent he makes. Now he offers emu oil in his products, which is absolutely an amazing ingredient. Really good for the beard hair, really good for your skin, just absolutely phenomenal. His anniversary scent is called Wild Child. Before we go over that, I want to show you, if you have never ordered from Crushers, I'll show you what he does send in your package real quick. He does send a postcard, and on the back, a thank you letter. Just thanks for your order. And in these summer months, when he normally doesn't send out butters when it's warm out, but there at the end of summer, he'll usually start sending a few out. But when he does, he sends this little card out. Basically, he tells you before you open your butter, put it in the fridge and let it sit there for a few hours. That way it can harden back up. It's a butter, it doesn't get really that hard, but you guys know the drill. His business card, of course. On the back, all of his information. And this is a little tag letting you know about his anniversary scent. And I believe that's a sticker. Yes, that's a sticker, and will get put on my shelf over there. And of course his main stickers, which are always a pleasure to get. There we go. And what you guys been waiting for, the main event, the Wild Child scent. This is his anniversary scent. The scent profile is I'm only going to name a few of them. The rest is, up in Brian's head, which he's going to keep there. The main scents are Indian sandalwood, oak, and blackberries. And I can tell you, like every single one of his scents, it's got that cologne type scent to it. It's got that punch to it. It lasts for hours in beard. The feel in beard, phenomenal. The butter, he's known for his creamy consistency butters. They're masterpieces, in my opinion. The oil, we'll go over the oil first, of course, as always. And this is his anniversary scent, Wild Child, and I believe this is the emu oil mix. The ingredients: jojoba, castor, grapeseed, sweet almond, hemp seed, and babasua, or something like that. You guys know. And I don't know, it looks like this does have the emu oil in it. Regardless, even if it doesn't, his oils are still phenomenal. The scent, on the bottle open, you do get that oakiness. The blackberry is definitely present. And me being a big sandalwood fan, I can definitely smell that. The other things in it, I can tell you, there's spiciness to it. There's just a little bit of everything to it. you put it in beard, and it's sweet and spicy. I said this to about a couple other scents from other companies. If sweet and spicy had a baby, that's what this would be. You get that oaky punch with it's kind of a musky type scent with the blackberries on the back end. Whatever else is in this, it's definitely musky, cologne type scent profile, and it's a really punchy type scent profile, I'll say. It lasts for hours when you put it in beard, depending on if you have the emu oil mix or the regular mix. Either way, they both feel good in beard. The emu oil is definitely going to feel a lot better than regular. It just, there's no words to describe an oil with emu oil in it. To me, in my own opinion, from my experience, it just softens my beard up like nothing I've ever seen before, to be honest. This is just like that, you know. And that was the oil, the Wild Child. Absolutely phenomenal scent, Brian, dude. If you outdo this one, then I'm gonna throw my other products away and just have you on my shelf, brother. Absolutely phenomenal. The butter, guys, if you haven't had any of Crusher's butters, even his oil, you guys have been living under a rock. Again, this is the Wild Child scent. Again, you get that oaky punch, cologne, sweet and sour. Not sweet and sour. you know what I'm saying. It's just, oh my goodness. Oh, it's got such a rich scent to it, and of course his butters are creamy as can be. It's a little cold in here in my studio. I keep it like, I think I keep it around 67, 68 degrees, but I will demonstrate this real quick. This is his utility butter. Throw it in hand, and usually in the summer it'll start melting out of my hand, but like as I said, it's nice and cool in here. Rub it a couple of times. As you can see, it's out. A little chunk right there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the beard. Oh man, like I said, you get that spiciness, that sweetness of the blackberries. Just an all around really good scent to have all year round for me. Most guys will put, you know, when the fall scents come out, they'll just use it in the fall. To me, any type of scent I'll use all year round. It doesn't really, you know, make a difference to me. But again, this is a nice oaky, it's got a nice oaky punch to it. It's got that sweetness to it, but then again, it's got that spiciness to it. It's a nice cologne-esque type scent profile, and like I said before, every time Brian comes out with a new scent, he steps up like the levels. He keeps just stepping up level after level after level, and he just continues to do amazing scents. And that's all I can say about Brian, is he's a killer mixologist. He knows what he's doing, and especially with that new emu oil blend he offers now, just amazing. The price for his products are right here. Pre-orders for this start, I believe, December 27th, so I would not sleep on this. Another scent that you do not want to miss. I missed out on Essence, but luckily he made a few extras, and I was able to order that, so luckily for me, he did do that. But get in on this, guys. December 27th, pre-order start. Don't miss out on that. Everything will be in the links below. Brian, brother, keep doing your thing, man. You went from, you know, the bottom, worked your way up to the middle, went to the top, and now you're just, you know, stairway to heaven, brother. Stairway to heaven in a good way. In a good way. Guys, thanks for sticking around for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't had Crusher's Creations, you have to try it. Definitely. It should be on your must-try list. Brian, thank you, brother, for sending us out. I appreciate it. Guys, until the next review, peace.